the point why I right away went to sales consultant, because you can't just take an LLM and say, be a sales consultant, because it doesn't know, it doesn't have the experience, it doesn't understand how to consult, it doesn't know what the preferences are. Sure, it speaks the language and it can say in any language that I can only see the menu and tell you what the menu shows and ask what you want. To be a sales consultant, there needs to be some sales experience, and that's where we come in, right? So that's where what we do is we train the agents to be a sales consultant by analyzing millions and millions and millions of orders that we're receiving or processing or are involved with, that are in our network, in our platforms, in our apps, everything that we're servicing. We see merchants, and we can just kind of characterize this merchant. We can say this is a liquor store that has this kind of product set, that makes these kind of sales, that sells these products, that doesn't sell these products but continues to carry them, priced this way. Here's the time frames when the sales are made. Here's the, we can even sometimes see into the consumer, right? So in that case, we'll know, we don't know who the consumer, all of the data that I'm talking about is extremely anonymized, but we know that this transaction and this transaction belong to the same entity. We just don't know who that entity is, but we know it's the same. So that data is being, we use machine learning basically, right, to compress and condense the amount of data that we can run through, which is about 10 million transactions a month. And we condense and compress all of that data into machine learning. And the machine learning then spits out rules and formulas that are fed to AI. And that is how our AI agent knows how to be a sales consultant.